Today's math lesson, lesson 15, is on interpreting the unknown in a multiplication and division word problem and then solving it. We're going to do number 6 from their homework. Alan buys 9 packs of trading cards. There are 10 cards in each pack. He can trade 30 cards for a comic book. How many comic books can he get if he trades all of his cards? So before we even think of drawing the tape diagram, we should probably determine that he has 9 packs, 10 cards in each pack, so he has 90 total cards. Now that we know that, we can draw our tape diagram, and every word problem on their homework, they must draw a tape diagram. We know that the total is 90. So that's how we'll represent the total there on our tape diagram. The second part of the problem says he can trade 30 cards for a comic book. How many comic books can he get if he trades all of his cards? So on your tape diagram, it says he can trade 30 cards for a comic book. Well, we know that 90 divided by 30 would be 3. So therefore, we need to break up the tape into thirds, or 3 parts, and show that our 30... So there's your 3 comic books. Each one of these sections is a comic book. Comic book 1, comic book 2, comic book 3. So the answer is 3 comic books, because the question is asking how many comic books can he get. Now, a part that I skipped that I should have said is 90 divided by 30 equals x, because on their homework they got to have an equation with an unknown. And the unknown in this problem is how many comic books, and then x equals 3. So that's a better way of showing it for problem 6 on their homework.